Hey everybody, this is Paul with Water by Design, bringing you another educational video on our hot springs lines. So what I have here is a hot spring high life series spa, and one of the frequent questions that we get are, what do the exterior lights mean? I have a green one and a blue one, and sometimes they're blinking, sometimes one of them are on, and all that stuff. So I'm just wanting to do a quick kind of informational video to kind of maybe explain some of the high points of what your tub's telling you when certain lights are on and off and stuff like that. So what you're going to see the most of is what you're looking at right now. The green is on solid and the blue is on solid. One nice thing that I just think of is solid green, non-flashing. Green is go. Your hot tub is good to go. It's hot, it's bubbly, it's ready for you to use. It is at or within 3 degrees of your set temperature. Salt system, if you have one, is perfectly fine and operational. The spa heat circuit is on and operational. Everything in the hot tub is perfect. A couple different things that you might see. The green light is tied directly into your salt system, your circulation system, and your temperature system. So if your temperature system, or your set temperature rather, is 3 degrees higher or lower than what the actual temperature of the spa water is, your green light won't be on. So example, let's say your hot tub's at 98 degrees. It's middle of summer and it's starting to get cooler out, and you're wanting to bump it up to 102. As soon as you bump it up to 102, your green light will go off until the spa heats itself up to within 3 degrees of your set temperature. From a diagnosis standpoint, it's middle of winter and you guys are wanting to use your hot tub. They put them on the exterior, so that way if you have a vantage point from inside your house, you can peek out your window or door before going outside in the cold weather. And if you see both of those lights, you know it's perfectly fine to brave the elements and jump in your hot tub. But if the green light is not on or it's blinking, make sure you have a towel or a heavy robe on, because you're going to want to make sure that the hot tub is hot and ready to use, and it may not be if the green light is not on and solid. So if the green light is blinking, it's probably, if it's equipped with a saltwater system, it probably has to do with your saltwater system testing. It will blink after 7 days if you have not tested the salt system itself, or if it's time to replace the cell or confirm the output levels. Pretty much if it's blinking green, your hot tub theoretically is kind of waving at you saying, hey, come here, look at me. I need to tell you something, and it should just be a quick, easy fix. Also, when you drain and refill your tub, if you're on the saltwater system, the green light will blink until you get your salt system fully on and running, which I know if you're using the Vanishing Act can take some time, up to 24 to 48 hours for softening your water. So don't worry, just know, it'll blink for a day or two until, your salt system gets up and operational. The blue light is tied directly in line with your heating circuit. So in most High Life Series tubs, that's going to be the 20 amp breaker. On some of the ones that convert, one of the 110, 220 tubs like the Prodigies or the standard jet setters, if you convert those to 220, it'll actually be your 30 amp circuit. But 90% of them, the blue light ties into your 20 amp circuit. So if the blue light is off, more than likely your 20 amp breaker has tripped, which is why your hot tub's not going to be heating. So make sure you go back to your sub-panel disconnect box that was installed by your electrician and check to make sure. That's more than likely what it is. If the blue light's blinking, your hot tub also might be into protection mode. Just to give us a call. We're going to make a separate video as far as what protection mode means and a couple at-home troubleshooting things that you can do. But If it needs new sensors or what have you, you may just need to give us a call. But that's going to be a quick high-level overview as far as what the lights mean, why sometimes they blink and sometimes they're solid. Most of the time they are going to be solid, and it's quick and easy to remember. Green means go, and go means to get in your hot tub. So happy hot tubbing, guys.